Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is creation. Whatever you're doing and thinking at this moment, fingerprints, footprints, brain print, blueprint, make sure you make a timeline and a deadline, because whatever you're coming up with is becoming something golden, something that's going to be platinum, diamond, is taking your life to the next level. This is your access key to the next level. Out of the darkness, the wilderness, or the rut that you're in, here's your lifeline. I have the power to direct my life with constructive attitudes, a teachable heart. I create what is best for my soul with my creativity. I firmly believe I can transform and improve my inner and outer worlds by turning every thought into affirmative, constructive action, putting those thoughts to work. I act in the image of God. I bring light into my life, and I don't stop until I create what I see in my mind. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.